Hey guys, I'm just gonna show you really quickly a studio apartment here in Jackson Park. This is the bathroom, your standard Jackson Park bathroom. Toilet, nice tile, wooden cabinets, sink, and lots of mirror space and cabinet space. And then right off the entry, you have your closet. So I think this is gonna double as your coat closet and also storage for all your other stuff. Like your suitcases can go in here, and all your odds and ends can be stored in here. So that's the front door. This is the intercom to speak with the security downstairs. And then there's actually a little space right here. If you're working, I think this is gonna be great to put like a small office right here, a desk and a chair. And this can be your work from home space. It's a good amount of space for you to set up an office for you to work from home. And then I think this is your washer dryer. Let me check. Yeah, it's a washer dryer. Every single apartment in Jackson Park here in Long Island City has a washer dryer, and that comes standard. And that's very rare for, not rare, but the luxury buildings all tend to have that. But some buildings only 2 bedrooms have, and 3 bedrooms and 4 bedrooms. If you have a 1 or a studio, you have to go in the hallway or go into the basement to wash your laundry. But here you get your own set, which is really cool. And this is the kitchen. Most kitchens, this is open, but because of space, I'm thinking that they closed it off to create that cabinet space up there. And it kind of makes sense to do that in a studio because there's not that much storage. You can't just have just the section for storage and then not have. So it's a pretty big kitchen for a studio, which is nice. The only downside is that it's closed off to the living space, but I feel like they could have opened up that somehow and made those floating, just to get some light in here. This is the kitchen. This is the fridge. Very nice. It's microwave, 5-plate stove. So yeah, we all have the same. Every apartment has the same stove and oven, same microwave. The only difference is the fridges. The larger apartments have the much larger fridges, which are silver, and these ones are kind of made clad with the rest of the cabinetry, which is nice. But the larger apartments have the silver fridge, or stainless steel fridge rather. So more storage up there, fridge, freezer. I think that's just cabinet space, and then more storage. This cute little drawer. Cabinetry. I think that one is the dishwasher. Let's check. Yep, that's the dishwasher. Sink. More cabinet space up here. Your appliances can go in here or there. So very good. What's that sound? I think it's the washing machine. So yeah, this is the living area and your bedroom. So I don't know how you would set it up, but you can probably put your bed over here and then a couch right here facing this way, and then put your TV on there. That seems to be the layout that makes the most sense to me. Or you could put a bed on this wall, have a TV up on this corner, and have a couch here facing that wall, or a couch there facing this way. Up to you. A lot of people like to put their desk and office space right here. I hate that. I feel like you're wasting that space by putting something that is so unsightly. Now, unless you have wall-to-wall glass windows, then fine, it's for you to do that. But if this is your only big viewing space, I don't know why you would want to put your office in your desk right here. and then you'd be daydreaming all day long because you're looking at that view. So my office is not here, it's in another space, but I've seen people put their desks here. If that's what you want, you can do that, but I wouldn't. For me, aesthetically, it's not that pleasing. So, but this is a great view. It's Jackson Avenue right there. Altice building. That's Hayden. This is Rock Rose, Eagle Lofts. Yeah. It's a nice view of Manhattan right there. So you have great views from apartments that are facing this way. So yeah, this is your studio apartment. I don't know exactly how much it costs because all the prices fluctuate, they differ, so I can't give you an exact amount, but you can go to Jackson Park, lic.com, and see what these are going for. This apartment is actually on the floor that I live on, so whoever moves in here is gonna be my neighbor. So I live across the hall. But this has just been renovated and they're getting it ready for someone to move in, and this is gonna be their new home. Something keeps beeping in here and I don't know what it is. Oh, it's this, I think. Let me turn that off. Yeah, this is it. Hope you enjoyed it. Peace out.